pressed the wrong button. Plenty of shaving stuff. Aftershave. Shoe polishing. No deodorant. No real deodorant section. And they're all $5, $4.70 for this crap. I don't even like these kinds. You're gonna cheap out and get the $3 one. That doesn't smell good. Alright, we're gonna cheap out and get that one. Kinda sad, can't find the other. What's back here? It's in these sections. Looks like toys. You got some extra ones? Deep fryers. I don't know how much. I'm gonna find out how much they're. Look like they're used anyway. It's two. That's 13,000. 137,600. That couldn't be the price. That is used and beat up. And a big juice machine. I didn't know they sold these little things here. I'm gonna find out how much they cost. And of course all your water dispensers and your mini fridges, microwaves. $170 for an electric oven, rotisserie. Yeah, right. Big stoves. Yeah, big stoves, big ovens. No prices on them though. Got an electric oven for $245. That was $302. Crazy. And televisions. How much is a small TV here? $798 for a used looking Sony. They're crazy. That's a $200 TV. It's $800 for this Sony. Yeah, the televisions are way overpriced for Sonys. I don't know what that number is. Some crazy, ridiculous number. 134, no, 13,433,050. That can't be correct. Yeah, they're crazy. Selling $100 TVs for. Actually, how much is a washing machine? $230,000, $230 for this little itty bitty. Well, it's only $200. What do you expect for $200? And the washing machines are all plastic and cheap. I wouldn't buy it from here. They're overpriced here. I would buy it from your shop. The shop you took me to from the wholesaler, dude. They're expensive, yeah. It's a grocery store too, though. But I am curious, how much their little double deep fryer is. Ain't no price on it, but I will find out. All right, let's go get some meats and we get out of here. We're sprinting off. They have printers in here too? Nah, I don't see any. Don't see any printers. Yeah, hold the basket here. Let's go to the meat section. It's the bread bakery section. I'm gonna come back and get some bread if they got some good sausages, so I'll get some bread. For a kilo, it's 5,800 for a kilo sausage. How many in a kilo?
Between 8, 9, 10.
That's a lot. You get half a kilo there. That's. Well, it's $5 a kilo. You got beef shoulder, beef chops, $4 a kilo. Not even got beef ribs for $3.5 a kilo. You got chicken wings. The liver pate, is that beef? Oh, do you have any beef?
Beef pate.
What kind of meat is that? What is that? Oh, you ever had it? What does it taste like?
They put it in the bread, you can just sit in the salad. It's nice.
Do you cook it or eat it raw?
Yeah, you don't cook it. You put in the salad, the bread.
$6. Frozen fish. We don't buy frozen fish. We only buy fresh fish. And frozen chicken, we only buy fresh. Let me get half a kilo of wings. One, two. It's about 4 or 5. That's enough for us.
That's 300 grams.
Oh, that's not much.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Well, give me another half kilo. Let's make 1 whole kilo. That's not much. There we go. And last thing, a kilo of the beef ribs. And I need bread. And I need bread to go with my sausages. Oh man, they're bakery. They bake fresh breads and cakes and all that good stuff. Oh, they got pizza and food. Got egg rolls? Got egg rolls. Tutto, Sante Nana, Sana, Sante de Sana. I need bread. What's that roll called? The long roll?
They don't have it.
I know they do. Got it here last time. It's like a hot dog bun. It's in one of them bags up there. It's in one of those blue bags up there. Okay.
It's finished. The rest are broken.
What do you mean broken?
The pieces. Others are finished.
So what's all that? Look like hot dog buns right there.
Simba bread also.
So no hot dog buns. No long rolls at all. No baguettes. Something like this.
Yeah, you asked for it. It's finished.
Okay. So
They
what
have
about
just pieces?
so what about the hot dog buns? Just the smaller ones?
Yeah, they have them. These long ones, they are finished. They are not.
That's fine. I can take some of the short ones, some of the small ones, some of
Sorry, muhe sandwich.
the small. Yeah. I knew these what this was. Oh. Grab the cart. Now I need some butter. See if they have any butter today. Butter, butter, butter. Juice. They actually have cheddar today. What do you know? Yeah, they got lots here. They got some That nasty cheddar that's not any good. They got feta today, $7. It's overpriced. And they got slices of mozzarella, supposedly. And they got cheddar. I don't see any butter today. Oh, no butter. We didn't have any butter. I did not have butter. And all this yogurt and crap. Ain't got no butter. You see butter?
This one's here.
There what?
Nice good butter for cows.
Hmm?
For cows.
That's cheese, not butter.
Yeah, this is cheese.
I'm looking for butter. It's all cheese. Cheese. It doesn't say what kind of cheese it is. Oh, it's supposed to be Gouda, cheddar. And they got mozzarella. They actually have mozzarella today. This is pizza cheese. We're making pizza. It's almost $8. It's pretty cheap. I'm scared to buy it. I'm not making any pizza anytime soon.
You can't buy it because you will do pizza for us.
I think I want some cheddar. Cheddar's $8. It's Gouda. There's a cheddar. Cheddar's $8. It's a lot of cheddar for $8. I wonder if it's good cheddar. Oh, that's the only thing. You never know about the cheeses here. If they're even good, but it's oily and MH Farms cheddar looks pasteurized milk, added calcium, starter culture, salt, and rennet. That's pretty much all cheddar is. Oh. And I want to get some cheese, but I don't really have a use for it.
What do you prefer, person? Girl, friend.
That ain't butter. That's some type of fucking cheese. It's hard as a rock. I don't know. I might get some. I'm very tempted to try that mozzarella and that cheddar. That ain't gonna hurt. I'm gonna gonna try it. It's only, how much was it? $8. And $8 for the mozzarella. I'm gonna get half of mozzarella. $4. And there's a lot of cheddar. Alright. Yeah, let's try it. We'll get half of mozzarella. Let's try it. We'll start with the mozzarella. If it's good, then we'll try the cheddar. Where's the basket at?
The basket is there. It was full.
Hmm? You got onions?
Yeah, we have them. And get garlic.
Got garlic. I saw that in the fridge before we left.
It was from the market.
I know. But I said we got garlic. I need some green peppers. They don't have any here. Just, what are you gonna do? I guess this is their little something section. $8 for some scissors. Some kitchen scissors, $8. Do need some more knives. The knives we got are garbage. Hey, hair clippers, trimmers. Excuse. All right, we got everything. Yeah, Snicker bars for $1.20. And batteries of all sorts. $2, $2.50, $2, $5. And glassware and all that stuff. Glasses, plates, dishes, catering stuff. Oh, I need a knife. That's right. Use some tongs too, actually. Ooh, $30 for a knife sharpener. It's too much to pay for a knife sharpener, but nice to have. I need a knife. I don't see any knives. It's a big ass knife. Don't need one that big. I'm not butchering anything. Come on, everything but knives. You these little itty bitty ass knives. I don't need an itty bitty knife. I need a cooking knife. I don't need that. I need oddball ass tools, but no knife. Alright, here we go. Get into the knife section. That is a bread knife or a cheese knife? That's big. I don't need that. Again, oddball knives, but nothing. No regular practical knife. Pizza cutters, tongs, spatulas. That is strange. Oh, you gotta buy a whole set, $20.